Most traders think break and retest is about the entry, but it's really about what happens before the entry. So if you trade calmly and you like to plan ahead, then this video is for you. Because when the planning is clear, the trade becomes simple. That here's our area of resistance on the 15-minute time frame. And we notice that price, if we use our path tool to follow price action, we notice that price broke through the 15-minute support, retested this resistance, and we're expecting it to continue to the downside. And we can take a look on the 1-minute time frame, and what we'll do is wait for a sell signal here. Looks like we're getting a 3-bar reversal. We have a few seconds left before this completes, so we'll wait and see. We've got our 3-bar reversal. Let's see if price continues downward. We'll go ahead and get into the trade. We'll put our stop losses above the high. And sometimes it's helpful to just have your drawings disappear for just a moment. And so what you can do is use this little eye down here and just click it, and then everything disappears and you have a clean chart. And so now we can easily see that there's a nice wick here that we could shoot for. So we could actually move our take profit down here. So we're in a downtrend. We're going with the flow of price action, and we're going with a trend. Okay, we can see that price has left the zone, so we can go ahead and move our stop loss just enough to cover the commission. Okay, and then I noticed that price was starting to push up on the 15-minute time frame, so I decided to go ahead and exit the trade and secure my profit. Later, I took a look at the 1-minute time frame and noticed that price was still continuing down. So we marked out that liquidity sweep point that we found earlier and made that the target. All right, and so these are the confluences that we used to enter this trade. So we had a break and retest of support on the 15-minute time frame, and we waited for our sell signal, which was a 3-bar reversal on a lower time frame. So we used the 1 minute this time to enter to try to get the best entry. All right, and then we were in line with the daily trend. So we checked out the daily chart before we entered, and we also noticed that price is trading below the 20 and the 50 EMA. All right. And so those are all reasons to enter the trade. Those are confluences that help to strengthen our idea. And so it's a good idea to go ahead and write those down each time that you take a trade. And it's great for when you're going to put this in your notes and journal later. Yeah, so be sure to journal all of your trades. You can use the Mindful Trading Journal that is free in the description by clicking on the link, or you can create a journal of your own. Either way, digital or paper and pencil, whatever you prefer, but be sure to journal every trade that you take. It really makes a difference in how fast you learn and also in your success. And as soon as price swept that liquidity point, it headed back up. So that was a good place to have a TP.